The Rock Cycle by Ramona and Yadira. Minerals. A solid substance of natural currents. For example, this mineral is a solid. Minerals are naturally occurring, which means they only exist by nature and without artificial aid. Minerals are inorganic, which means that they do not consist of or deriving from living matter. Minerals have a crystal structure. This is a crystal structure. Chemical composition. A mineral always contains certain elements in definite proportions. For example, the mineral quartz has 1 atom of silicon for every 2 atoms of oxygen. The category of rocks reflect how they are formed. For example, igneous is formed from cooling and crystallization of magma or lava, and sediment is formed from pre-existing rocks subjected to weathering and erosion. And lastly, metamorphic rock is formed from pre-existing rock transformed by heat, pressure, or chemical fluids. Mineral identification.
Luster, the way light interacts with the surface of a crystal rock or mineral.
Hardness is measured by resistance which a smooth surface offers to abrasion. It is determined by observing difficulty which one mineral is scratched by another. For example, for hardness, we can use the Mohs hardness scale. Density. Density is a measure of the mass of a certain volume of the sample.
Minerals are used in everyday life, whether you use makeup, which may consist of talc or kaolinite, or maybe even both. Toothpaste also consists of any other minerals like flour, spar, rocks, solid mineral forming part of the earth and other planets exposed on the surface.
Igneous.
What is igneous composed of? Well, igneous rocks are composed by the cooling of molten magma.
One example of igneous rock is how it's formed by a volcano. Here we have the magma, the intrusive igneous rock, and the extrusive igneous rock. Example number 1.
Gabbro.
Sedimentary.
Sedimentary rocks are made when sand, mud, and pebbles get laid down in layers.
Example 1.
Limestone.
Example 2.
Sandstone.
Metamorphic is a type of rock which has been changed by extreme heat and pressure.
Example 1.
Slate.
Example 2. Schist.